We'll guide you through how to use two WhatsApp accounts on one phone. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. There are two different ways you can go and do this. So for the first way, this is the situation of where your other WhatsApp account is a business WhatsApp account. Because if we come out of WhatsApp, you can then open up the App Store and you can go and search for WhatsApp Business and you can get a separate app for that. Then what you can do is click on it, click on download, and it will start downloading. And if we come down here, you'll go and see if you have separate business and personal phone numbers, you can have both WhatsApp Business and WhatsApp Messenger installed on the same phone and register them with separate numbers. Once it's finished, you can click on open and then you can go and set it up. I'm on the app now and it's asking if I want to go and use this phone number for WhatsApp Business, but what I could do is go and click on use a different number. And then what I can do is go and enter that phone number here and I can then go and set it up and I'll have two separate WhatsApp numbers on one phone. However, you may just want to use two normal WhatsApp accounts. So if that's the situation, then what you can do is come out of the WhatsApp app and we can go into our browser. And what we can go and do is we can go and use WhatsApp Web. So if you didn't know, there's actually a web version of WhatsApp. This is primarily for computers and other devices, but you can also use it on your phone. And all you need to do is go and type in web.whatsapp.com and go here. And when you type it in, you may just get taken to the WhatsApp website. If you do, don't worry. Just click on the two A's in the bottom left and click on request desktop website. On other web browsers, it may just be three dots instead of the two A's. But yeah, you should be able to go and request a desktop website in most browsers now. Once you've requested the desktop website, scroll right to the bottom and you can then go and click on WhatsApp Web and you'll get taken to this page here. So it says use WhatsApp on your computer, but we can use it in our phone. And then all you need to do to sign into the other WhatsApp account, on WhatsApp on the other device, go into settings and then link devices and click on link a device and you can then go and scan it and then it will say loading your chats. I've now gone and loaded them. I'll need to go and blur these out, but then what you can do is select the chat and you can then just swipe across. And so I'm just swiping across now. And then as you can see, you can then go and start chatting. So I could go and send a message saying hi, just like that. And it's that simple. And as you can see, I just measured myself there.